you have a home anywhere in the Walkertown area, Helpful Homes would love the opportunity to provide you with a very fair, competitive, all-cash offer. Our cash offer has no contingencies and no obligations. As long as we like the house, we would love to move forward, see how we can add value to whatever your situation is, and give you a fair offer that you can count on. Helpful Homes is very experienced when it comes to purchasing houses. We know the areas and the neighborhoods that we're buying these homes in. That allows us to provide you with a very fair and competitive offer. We're local to the area of Walkertown. We can meet you for a cup of coffee, come check out your property, and within a day or two, provide you with an all-cash offer. If you'd like to hear how that works more in detail, reach out to us. You can find us online at helpful-homes.com, or you can pick up the phone and give us a call, 336-829-7400. Everybody take great care. Bye-bye.